picadillo comes from the Spanish word picar, meaning to mince or chop. It's a popular dish in the Philippines with many regional variations. Isa sa popular version nito ay ang tinatawag na giniling na isang klase ng stew with ground meat, tomatoes, potatoes, and vegetables. Ang isa naman ay itong soupy version na ito made with diced or ground meat, sayote or potatoes, and flavored with aromatic, fresh tomatoes, and patis. Napakasimple at napakadali nitong lutuin. Igisa ang onions and garlic in hot oil sa isang pot. Ilagay ang ground pork and cook until it changes color. Add the tomatoes and cook until softened at mag-release ng juices. Add fish sauce, cook for a minute or two, then ibuhos ang water. Bring to a boil and skim off any foam that rises on top. Cover, reduce the heat, and simmer until the meat is cooked through. Isunod ang diced potatoes and continue cooking until tender. Adjust the taste with salt and pepper as needed. This picadillo soup is perfect for rainy days when you crave something quick, simple, yet hearty and tasty. Serve hot with steamed rice and enjoy!